Hey there, guys. Okay, and what we're going to be talking about today is the great value fume-free heavy-duty oven cleaner. Yeah. Now, the first thing I noticed about this oven cleaner is that it smells wonderful. When you use this, it has the sweetest, nicest smell of lemons you'll ever want to smell. It's almost like an air freshener. To me, I really enjoy the smell. I mean, it's nice. It's very nice. This is an oven cleaner that will get rid of your old food and grease and just grime and grit that has been in your oven and is just saturating all the inner workings of your oven. And it really does a good job. It really does. So what you would do is make sure that, okay, you remove the cap, of course. You shake this very well. Now, you're going to saturate your oven all over, the complete inside of your oven with this. Saturate it really heavily, really super good. I mean, I know a lot of people probably would be like, oh, you don't have to spray as much. This is how I get it to work for everything to just come right off and be really clean inside. You saturate it real good, so because this has a wide spraying angle, so it sprays pretty wide, so it covers a lot of space. You see that? Now you want to saturate that spot. The whole oven really good with this. Okay, see how much I sprayed right there? You want to do about, on any given spot, about 4 to 5 times what I just did. Make it really saturated. Okay, now if your oven is not very dirty and you just have a few things on there and it's like, you keep your oven really pretty decent, but it does, has just a bit that you need to clean, you can saturate your oven really good. Make sure it's cold. Make sure your oven is cold before you put anything in there. Do not put it in there right after you've cooked something, okay? It has to be cold. So preferably do it in the morning or whatever, before you've cooked or anything. Okay, saturate it really good and wait for about 2 hours. Let it sit on there for 2 hours. Okay, remember, this is for just a minimal grime and grease and stuff to take off. Minimum 2 hours in there. And then take damp sponge or a towel or anything, something like that, and wipe it clean. And the junk and everything comes right off into the napkin or into the towel. Now, if you have a greasy, dirty, grimy oven that you haven't cleaned in probably years or months, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing, saturate that thing a lot. Ooh, really a lot, okay? Let it sit on there overnight, okay? Just sit it on there overnight, all night long. Minimum 6 hours, okay? Minimum, but I don't ever do 6 hours. I just do overnight, okay? That just, no question, you've left it on there long enough. So yeah, so let it sit on there overnight, and just after it's, the next day, you go in there the same way with a damp rag or a damp sponge or a towel, and just wipe it all clean. It comes right off. It's really powerful cleaner, and it'll leave your oven just smelling great too, and it'll really be, very clean. It gets down into all that stuff that's been sitting there for so long that has been caked on. You just got to make sure you hit all the corners and all the spots so you don't have to do this over again. Yeah, it works very well. It's very strong, and it has really made my ovens over the years very clean. Like I said, it smells great. You will like it a lot. I've really used this for a while, and before using this, I didn't really use anything at all. You know, I just didn't clean the inside of my oven, and I got married and my wife wasn't having it. So we had to clean the oven, and this is what we used, and it works very, very well. Okay, I really swear by this, and I think everybody will get a really good job out of this. It's a great oven cleaner. Okay, well, we've been talking about the great value fume-free heavy-duty oven cleaner. Yes, fume-free, no fumes at all. Really good. Yeah, so I mean, you're not going to smell anything but sweet lemons. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.